What's up, YouTube? This is Larry. I've been a full-time reseller since 1997. And what I do is I show you what I sell. That way when you get to the yard sale or video store or whatever, and you're like, hey man, I just saw that guy sell that for 50 bucks. I show you everything I sell, because anybody can say, oh, it goes for $10 or $100. But until you sell it, you didn't actually sell anything. But hey, let's see what we sold. Train to Busan. We picked this up at Big Lots for $2.88. I buy every one of these I can find because this is the greatest horror movie, like zombie movie of all time. If you haven't seen it, you need to see it. Train to Busan. Like I said, I buy it every time I see it. And I sold it for $14.99 best offer. I sold something called Canton Junction. There it is. Show me the way. It's a brand new DVD. We paid 50 cents for this at the flea market. We're actually at Peddler's Junction. And we sold this one for $29.99. Sold a DS game. There it is. Do I have two of these? I do. Bought these at the pawn shop, I think, for $1 a piece. And they're sealed. I sold this one for $10.99. Sold an autograph photo. I don't believe it's in here. Let me get the other book. All right, we sold it in this book here. Let's see, Kevin Sorbo. I showed you guys all the Kevin Sorbo autographs I had a few weeks ago. There we go. Now we're into Kevin Sorbo. This one was one, it's got white borders, and he's holding a bow and arrow. Kind of like that one, but he's holding a bow. There we go. We paid $5 for that. We sold it for $19.99. DVD called Chef. Let's see. Here it is. Got a couple of these at the Dollar Tree. And we sold them for $7.99. Sold one of them anyway. Godspeed. I think we left it down here accidentally. Yeah, we didn't put that away yet. We just listed that the other day. It was new. We picked this up at the pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $11.99. We bought a reversible Dale Earnhardt Senior kids jacket. It's been a month ago, maybe. I think I've already packaged it here. Yeah, so I won't be able to show you. There's a Dale Earnhardt Youth large reversible jacket. I think we paid $3 for it, and we sold it for $39 with shipping. But this is a perfect way to save money. If you have a bigger thing to ship out, like a jacket or blue jeans, sometimes even shoes, you can put them in these things here. This is a flat rate envelope. And it only costs like $7.23 or something like that. Or if I send as regular first class, it's going to be about $8.50 or something like that. So you save a lot of money using these. If it fits, it ships. We sold 4 Marilyn Monroe Blu-rays. They were sealed. We found these at clearance at Big Lots. There's all 3 Marilyn Monroe movies. Or 4 of them were Marilyn Monroe movies. These were on clearance for $1.25 a piece. So I have $5 in it. We sold them for $30. Yeah. Bones season 7. There's season 4. There's season 7 right there. We got these at the pawn shop, a bunch of them. Still sealed. We paid $1.50 for it. Sold it for $13.99. Sold a Nightmare on Elm Street. What the heck would I put that under? Why am I looking there? Yeah. I don't know where else I would have put it. Let me try to find it. Alright, I found it. I was just an idiot. It was in the ends, but it said 4 films. I couldn't read the Nightmare on Elm Street part. It's the 1 through 4 film, still sealed. Paid $1 for it at a thrift store. We sold it for, let's see, $10.99. We bought this Star Trek model. I can't remember where. I remember we paid, I think, $3.99 for it, and it was still sealed. And today we sold it for $34.99. Little word of advice: if you find any sealed models and if they're cheap, buy them. If they're not cheap, look them up. You still might be able to buy them, because I've sold sealed models, some of them for like $100, $200. So I mean, if you can pick up one up for $20 and sell it for $100 or $200, you're doing all right. Like I said, that one was like $5. I sold it for $34.99, so it was a pretty good deal. But make sure you scan every sealed model. We sold a Clash of the Titans. There we go. Believe got this at the pawn shop, and I paid $1.50 for it, and we sold it for $11. So that's not too bad. David Bowie concert t-shirt. I think it's this one right here on top. Might be our last one. It's a cool little David Bowie thing. It was brand new. Had a $3 clearance tag on it from someplace. But I was at the thrift store one day, and they were having 25 cents all kids' clothes. I bought, I think, 6 of these, like different ones that were black, that had like Bowie's face. Those sold right away. They sold in the first week. Bought 14 of these white ones, and it's been about a year and a half. Finally took a year and a half to sell the 14th one, but I made a ton of money on these. Sold this for $11.99. It's going to cost about $2.50 to ship it. So yeah, I made really good money. I paid $0.25 a piece for them. Sold another Train to Busan. Second one tonight. Sold this for $14. Paid a $2.88 in the big ones. And we sold Dream Team to the same person. Martin Sheen. This is sealed. And we paid $1 for this at a pawn shop. We got $10 for it, so $24 for these two. Sold a Dog's Purpose. It was new and sealed, and we sold it for $8.99, and we paid $1 for it at a thrift store. Sold a strawberry shortcake. It's gotta be in the S's, right? The thing I hate about getting these things at the Dollar Tree is you peel the stickers off sometimes and they stick. Anyway, it's brand new. Bought it at the Dollar Tree for $1. Sold it for $8.99.